I've been secretly using this method for the last 4 years, and now I want to reveal it to you guys. I guess I've just kept it to myself for too long. Today you're gonna find out how I test products that no other dropshippers are testing, which leads to finding winning products 10 times easier. 99% of the gurus that you're watching out there is gonna tell you that don't test heavy products, and I can't blame you. That's the traditional way of drop shipping, and the reason for that is because of the cost. The shipping cost of shipping heavier products from China is just way too expensive, about 5 to 10x, which is not ideal, and this is where you can take advantage of that. And I've been doing that for the last 4 years. So today you're going to find out how I build hybrid dropshipping store. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jandy Cerezo. I'm an 8-figure e-commerce owner. I test, brand, scale, and create a sellable hybrid dropshipping store. In this video, you're going to see how you can dropship within the USA with less than 5 days of delivery time, which means you can create a branded hybrid dropshipping store. Plus, you won't have to compete with other dropshippers. And the most important thing is that you'll be able to dropship in Amazon and also TikTok Shop, which makes it a hybrid dropshipping store. Let's talk about the main problems with dropshipping right now. The first problem that we all know is that long shipping times. Typically, if you're dropshipping from China and you don't have an agent, it will take about 2 to 4 weeks or sometimes even longer for the customer to receive the product. Now, the second issue is having bad quality products. You just don't know what you're selling, especially for those people that are just dropshipping and just copying products from other dropshippers without even testing the product. You don't know the quality of that product, which leads to negative reviews, and you won't be able to create a sellable hybrid dropshipping store, because why would you continue running your brand if you're selling bad quality products? It just doesn't make sense. It's not gonna last long, and you're just gonna get heaps of refunds and returns. Now, the third issue is that saturated products, right? Too many competitors are selling the same things, and this is why if you use my methods, it is gonna allow you to not compete with other dropshippers, plus you will actually sell quality products. Now, the fourth thing is, it feels like there's no more unique products out there, especially on AliExpress, because people are just selling the same thing. And the final issue is that you won't actually be able to create a hybrid dropshipping store, because most of the time you won't be able to dropship on Amazon and TikTok Shop without spending a lot of capital on inventory. Now, these are all the problems that the dropshippers are facing on a daily basis. What if I tell you there's actually a way to fix all of that? And honestly, I've kept this secret for way too long, and now I'm gonna share it with you guys. First of all, you'll be able to dropship products with shipping less than 5 days, which also means that you have better customer experience, and most of these products that you're going to be selling locally are high quality products already. The second advantage is that if you test products that are unique and have not been tested in the market before or by other dropshippers, you will increase your chance of finding winning products and scaling a winning product at least 5x to 10 times more chance. So you'll be spending less money on testing, and you actually create a brandable store. And the third advantage is that you're gonna have a bigger profit margin because you're gonna be testing heavier products, right? Again, 99% of these dropshippers are not doing this method. And the final advantage that I can think of is that all of these, without putting any money down for inventory, you can still dropship within the USA. Essentially, the idea is to test products that are a bit heavier, which means other dropshippers won't touch that at all, because you know it will cost a ton for them to ship from China. So you're probably wondering, how do you actually find these winning products or these heavy products that you can dropship within USA? The best solution that I've found is using AutoDS. Yes, I am partnered up with them, and there's a reason why I personally partnered up with them. It's because they have this one-stop solution for product research, product import, and even fulfillment. Not only that, with AutoDS, you can find products in the USA that you can dropship in sometimes even less than 2 days, right? Products that are heavier and no other dropshippers are testing. Now, AutoDS is probably the only platform that will allow you to find products that you can dropship in less than 2 days, which is pretty insane. Before I get started, you can use the link in the description below if you want a 30-day free trial. Now here on AutoDS Marketplace, I'll show you guys my typical filter that I use here. The first thing is you want to ship from the United States. This is probably the most important thing, and I'm going to show you guys how quickly you can find these winning products that are on the heavier side. Let's just say, for example, we'll jump onto the pet niche. Already you can see from my last video I did show this to you guys. Pet feeder, right? This is probably going to cost you about, I don't know, $150 to ship from China. And the thing is, this is what I mean: shipping and processing time 2 business days. After a customer orders from your store, you can pretty much ship your products within 2 days, right? You can put this in TikTok Shop or Amazon as well. You can drop ship within the USA. Now if we just scroll down here, let's see if we can find any other products that fits our criteria, which is heavy products, good profit margin, high perceived value, and can ship within 5 business days, right? Let's just scroll down here. Ooh, I really like this one, right? So these are the kind of products that I like to test, something that solves a problem. Like for example, this one, dog grooming kit vacuum. A lot of people that have pets, especially dogs and furry cats, they will shed a lot, and this is probably a marketing angle that you can use for the dog grooming kit. And again, this is high perceived value. The cost is $80. It can ship within 2 business days, and you can probably price this at $150 or even $200. That will give you a profit margin of at least $100, right? None of these typical drop shipping products that you get from AliExpress, which only has $20 or $30 profit margin. So again, this is how quickly you can find heavy, unique products that you can ship within the USA and even use for drop shipping on Amazon and also TikTok Shop. Now the good thing about this is you can actually connect your store here, and you can import draft automatically in pretty much 1 click. If you click this import draft, it will transfer over to your Shopify, and you can quickly set up your landing page. Now if you do get orders after you marketed your product, you can also fulfill your products within AutoDS. So again, it's a one-stop solution. It's the perfect platform for hybrid dropshipping. So what does hybrid dropshipping mean, and what's the main advantage, right? First of all, what people don't realize is that you can create brand equity, brand asset that you'll be able to sell in the next couple of years. But what dropshippers don't realize is this is where you make most of your profits, right? I want you guys to shift your mindset to reinvest your profits into growing your brand. Because most of the time, for example, if you profited $1 million in the last 12 months and your valuation would be 3x to 4x, you'll be able to sell your brand for $4 million. And this is where most of the big guys are getting their wealth from. Most of the gurus that you're watching on YouTube right now, they're just selling, and then after a couple months their product is gonna die out because other dropshippers are testing the same product and it's becoming oversaturated. Now with this, you can actually dropship for years and years. And from my past videos, you guys would have seen I've been dropshipping from this store for the last 6 years, which generated over $18 million. The second advantage of hybrid dropshipping store is you'll be able to dropship on Amazon store and also TikTok Shop, so that you're actually creating a proper business. None of those get rich quick scheme. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and comment any questions down below. If you haven't joined my Discord group yet, I put the link in the description, so go ahead and join that. We'll catch up there, chat there, and ask any questions there as well. And don't forget guys, heavy products will keep those other dropshippers away. Make sure to jump onto AutoDS if you haven't signed up yet, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon.